This is a Cub Cadet CS 100 around 2015. I've always had the problem of draining all my fuel ever since it would just sit. So what I had to eventually do is lift the whole front end up so that it would not drain. Well, that carburetor bowl right there with the float in it, I took it apart last night just to see, and sure enough, it's still got a little bit, but I've got a kit coming. But at the factory for Cub Cadet, they put 2 gaskets in there so it would never seal right. Because there's one that goes into a groove, and then they put another one basically on top of that bowl to go up there, and then it would never seal right, it would just blow out. So, known issue. So if you got fuel leaking out the bowl from your fuel tank, it's because you need to take the carburetor off and take that fuel bowl and look at it real close. It's probably got 2 gaskets. One that's should be in there, and then another one they added for some dumb reason, and it's caused it to leak fuel unless you tilt the whole front end up. Cub Cadet CS 100 mower.